Hey, welcome to Archmaster. This is an AI application dedicated to the design field. If you are a designer, you cannot afford to miss it. Please visit the Archmaster official website to start using it. We have already started creating video tutorials for Archmaster and will continue to update them on YouTube. Friends interested in Archmaster are strongly encouraged to subscribe to our channel. As is well known, in architectural design, visualization, animation production is the most troublesome. Besides cumbersome operations and low work efficiency, it also requires a very high-end computer. In short, animation production is a labor-intensive and costly task. Therefore, the Archmaster team has launched a brand new AI multimedia tool, image to video. The generated video not only has high-definition quality and controllable camera movement styles, but also offers more realistic and accurate details and atmospheric effects, and can be applied to architecture, landscape, interior, and city bird view scenes. In this episode, I will explain to you how to use Archmaster's brand new AI multimedia tool, image to video. Okay, let's begin. First, on the Archmaster homepage, locate the AI tools interface, then find image to video, and click to enter. In the right operation panel, you can see under the generation method bar, there are single, image, and first and last frame images. Single image means we use one picture as the start of the video, and the AI will deduce what happens next in the content of that picture according to the algorithm, and generate a video based on this content. Upload a base image. In the camera movement style bar, select rotate to the right. In the description bar, you can fill in according to your needs. Here, we leave the description content blank. Click generation, wait a moment, then click history generation, and the video can be viewed here. In the video, the AI makes everything in the picture intelligently move according to the properties of the objects. Not only do the building vehicles move forward at a normal speed, the video content is rich and realistic. First and last frame images requires uploading two pictures. One as the start of the video and one as the end. And the AI will automatically generate the transition animation between the two pictures based on the algorithm. For example, we upload two architectural renderings from different angles, select move to the right, click generation, and after a moment, a moving perspective architectural walkthrough animation is generated. The beginning and end match the pictures we provided, and the transition segment in the middle is very harmonious. Next, let's test the performance under different camera movement style states. First is the fast-forward camera movement. You can see the AI-generated video, due to the rapid advance of the camera, has a strong visual impact, and the proportions of the buildings in the frame do not distort. Then look at the follow and move camera style. The reflections on the building glass change with the camera movement, conforming to physical laws, and the indoor and background parts not present in the original image are well supplemented by the AI under the image to video tool, making the entire video content harmonious and consistent. Other camera movement effects are also excellent. In this way, we can use the image to video tool to process all the renderings from different angles of the same project, then download the generated videos, import them into editing software, splice them together, and export. Thus, a complete walkthrough animation for an architectural project is finished, greatly improving animation production efficiency with excellent results. Next, we upload an interior design rendering for testing. Upload the interior design image. Select the camera movement style, click generation. You can see that in the generated video, all indoor objects move along with the camera changes, indistinguishable from a real scene. And whether it is tables or cabinets, their reflected images change with the camera movement. In the zoom out of the lens style, the AI generates a more formal reception area for the spacious living room, matching the tone of the rendering and saving us modeling and design time. Other camera movement effects can be viewed together. The same image to video tool can also be applied to landscape design, with equally perfect results. Switching to a city bird view application scenario can also generate exquisite video animations. That's all for this episode. Have you now learned how to use image to video? Any issues you encounter and use can be left in the comments, and I will reply one by one. Brothers interested in Archmaster, remember to subscribe to our channel. I will place the Archmaster website link in the comments for everyone's use. See you next time.